You probably clicked on this video and you're wondering, what the hell does it actually take to turn 5K to 38K? And most of the traders, I mean, maybe that's you out there, damn, you're probably thinking, I tried to turn 5K to 7K for a month and I couldn't do it. I mean, I've turned maybe 5K to 10K in a few months. How the hell do you turn 5K to 38K trading in just 1 week alone? I mean, this is like a 700% return. So in this video, Mr. Powell shares his powerful secret. Guys, this is a 2-minute video. Watch it. At the end, we're going to analyze what is actually the secret that he's telling you in this video, guys. I want you to learn how to actually get the most important stuff out of what these real-life traders are sharing with you. So I want you to really focus and listen to the next 2 minutes.
Hello trader, how's it going? Powell's here. Today is March 6th. So I want to go over my experience trading with Coach Chris this past week. This week was my first week trading with Coach Chris. I started with a 5K account and we was able to 7x my account by the end of Friday. As you can see, my account right now is at $38,971. We had took multiple trades throughout this week. I started with my first trade on Tuesday, March 2nd before the market closed. And here is all the trade that I took with Chris this week. This week I had learned so much from Chris. There have been so many times throughout the day of this week that I will want to get out of the trade, but Chris keep my emotion in check. He will message me and say, hold all positions, stay put, do nothing. So I want to thank Chris for helping me out. I also want to thank Coach Mike for helping me out. If you are struggling with your trade, or if you want to take your trade to the next level, you could schedule a 20-minute coaching call. There is nothing to lose from it, but everything to gain. I wish I would have done this sooner than this. So again, thanks Coach Chris for helping me out. Thanks Coach Mike for helping me out.
And the biggest secret he just revealed to you guys is do nothing. I know it sounds contradictory. What do you mean? I'm a day trader. I'm supposed to get into trades, get out of the trades. Guys, the reality is the most challenging aspect of trading is taking a position and staying with it despite of all the fake movements that the market could be doing on the 1-day, 1-minute chart, 5-day, 5-minute chart. That's where most of the traders get out. It's being able to focus on the larger size of the move that is evolving, okay, and not reacting every moment, every 5 seconds something changes. Focus on the big picture, okay? And that's when he says, Chris told me to stay put. He said, stay tight with your positions, okay? Stay put with your positions. Do nothing. And sometimes we're doing too much. And doing too much when you trade, guys, it doesn't result in the best outcome. That's how most of the traders actually blow up their account, because they're doing too much. So stick to your position. You will go for all these emotions, ups and downs while the trade is developing. Because a lot of times you're going to get in, don't expect to nail the top right at the very fucking top. So the trade could be going against you. So what do? It's sticking to your positions by focusing on your calculations on the overall move size development. So this is one of these rare situations in life where you want to do nothing, because nothing in these conditions is the most difficult things to do. 95% of the traders, they do a whole lot of shit they're not supposed to do. So focus, once you are in the position, on doing nothing and not jumping out and not being emotional, not, pulling the gun too soon. Pal, congratulations on your 5K to 38K. With that, guys, do not miss out on the insight from the next video coming at you shortly. 13 market moves, baby. 5K to 38K. Damn, don't you wish you signed up last Tuesday like Pal did?